Good afternoon, children. In the chapter heat, the last topic that is left is anomalous expansion of water. Generally, if we increase the temperature of any liquid, it expands, means its volume increases. But the nature of water is different from other liquids. If we increase the temperature of water from 0 degree centigrade, from 0 degree centigrade to 4 degree centigrade, its volume decreases. When the temperature reaches at 4 degree centigrade, its volume is minimum. If we again increase the temperature beyond 4 degree centigrade, water behaves like other liquid. Means the volume of water increases like other liquid. We know that volume and density are inversely proportional to each other if the mass of the liquid is constant, because d is equal to m by v. M is mass, v is volume, and d is density. If mass means m is constant, then d is inversely proportional to v, means d is proportional to 1 by v. Okay, so if temperature increases, volume increases, then if temperature increases, density decreases. Now, let us take the graphical representation. Along the vertical y-axis, volume of water is plotted. Volume of 1 kg of water, and the unit is centimeter cube. Okay, these are the scale. Okay, this is the origin. The origin is 0,000. Started from 0,000. 0 means it is the value along x-axis. Along x-axis temperature is plotted. 1,000 is the value along y-axis, means along volume axis. Okay. Next graph, along x-axis temperature is plotted. Along y-axis density is plotted. As volume is inversely proportional to density, then definitely if it is 1000.05, the value will be 1 less than 1. It is more greater than 1 and it is less than 1. Okay. 0 degree to 4 degree, temperature is increased. At 0 degree centigrade, the volume of water is here. Okay. Temperature is increased from 0 degree to 4 degree, volume is decreased. Okay, at 4 degree centigrade, the volume is minimum. Volume of water is minimum. If we again increase the temperature beyond 4 degree centigrade, the volume of the water increases with the temperature, with the increase in temperature. Okay, go to the next graph. Since density d equals to m by v, m mass is constant. For if mass is constant, we can write d is proportional to 1 by v, means d is inversely proportional to v. Okay, so if for a constant mass of water, if we increase the temperature from 0 degree to 4 degree, at 0 degree centigrade, the volume density is here. If we increase the temperature, density is increased. 4 degree temperature reaches at 4 degree centigrade. Okay, temperature reaches at 4 degree centigrade, density is maximum. If we again increase the temperature beyond 4 degree centigrade, density decreases with the increase in temperature. Okay, means water behaves like other liquid. Clear? But in between the temperature 0 degree to 4 degree, the behavior or the nature of water is just opposite to other liquid. This nature or this expansion of water is known as anomalous expansion of water. Anomalous expansion. Okay, there are some advantages of anomalous expansion of water. In it can in extremely cold places, in winter, during winter, in extremely cold places, the fish etc. can survive in the pond. How? Consider it is a pond, upper surface of water. Okay, suppose, and this is atmosphere. Just the water, layer of water that is adjacent to atmosphere will take heat, absorb heat from the atmosphere. Okay, if the temperature of atmosphere T decreases, then the layer of water that is adjacent to the atmosphere will also decrease, right? So suppose temperature is decreased. Temperature is in decreasing order in winter, in cold places. If temperature is decreased, at first density decreases. See the graph. Temperature decreases, density. Temperature decreases, density is in increasing order. So when the temperature reaches at 4 degrees centigrade, the entire water in the pond will more dense, means density becomes maximum. Okay, consider the water that is near the bottom of the pond. Okay, density is maximum, so it is heavier, so it cannot go up. Okay, circulation of water is stopped, right? So if it is for if density is maximum for the water in the bottom of the pond, in the upper side, upper layer of water, temperature is decreased for the upper layer of water. Why? Because it is adjacent with the atmosphere. Okay, if the temperature is again decreased from 4 degrees centigrade to 0 degrees centigrade, its density is in decreasing order from the graph. Temperature decreases, density decreases. If density decreases, means it is lighter, but the water that is at the bottom, it is heavier than the previous than the topmost one, right? So when the temperature is reached at 0 degree centigrade, the upper layer of water freezes, but the water that is near the bottom of the pond, temperature of that water is still 4 degrees centigrade. So the fish etc. can survive in the water, but the upper surface of the upper surface of water freezes due to the decrease in temperature of the atmosphere. This is the advantage of anomalous expansion of water. So what is anomalous expansion of water? If we increase the temperature from 0 degree to 4 degree centigrade, volume decreases. Okay, at 4 degree centigrade, volume is minimum. If we again increase the temperature beyond 4 degree centigrade, the volume is increased. Like other liquid, think in reverse way. If we decrease the temperature, volume is decreased. We decrease the temperature from 10 degree to 4 degree, volume is decreased. Okay, at 4 degree centigrade, volume is minimum. If we again decrease the temperature from 4 degree to 0 degree centigrade, volume is increased. This nature is just different from the other liquid. This is density temperature graph. Increase the temperature from 0 degree to 4 degree centigrade. Density is increased at 4 degree centigrade. Density is maximum. Okay. If we again increase the temperature beyond 4 degree centigrade, density is decreasing, is in decreasing order. Okay. This nature is known as anomalous expansion of water. The theory part of the chapter heat is completed. Only the numerical part is left. I will provide you a PDF file, the numericals. You solve the numericals on your own. If you face any difficulty, ask me and send your queries through email. Okay, the chapter is finished. We have to stop here. Thank you, children.